Hello everybody, welcome to another video by K21Academy. I'm Chinmay and today we are going to discuss everything about AWS Solutions Architect. Amazon is the most valuable publicly traded company in the world, offering everything from e-commerce to cloud services. Amazon's cloud service, known as Amazon Web Services, is by far the most popular cloud computing service used by businesses and organizations worldwide. From the delivery of the content to migration of databases, AWS has undoubtedly become one-stop solution for organizations looking for ways to run their businesses more effectively. With more companies and organizations using AWS to run all aspects of their businesses, the opportunities for cloud computing professionals are surging. This is why looking for advanced careers in IT and cloud computing are now paying really well. In this video, we'll be covering the following topics. We'll talk about who is a solution architect. We'll also talk about the skills required and how you can become a solution architect, followed by the skills you need to validate and how we can help you out. So let's first start with who exactly is a solution architect. At a high level, an AWS solution architect's primary duty is to help deploy applications infrastructure in the AWS cloud. Let's step back and look at why companies are moving to the cloud. Cutting cost is one of the main reasons, mainly because they don't have to invest in one premises infrastructure. Sounds simple, right? It's turned out that not to be in so many cases. Ask the early adopters who went into sticker shock when they got their first bill. This is where AWS Solution Architects comes into the picture. It's their responsibility to create a design that not only cuts the cost but addresses other critical factors like usability, reliability, scalability, and of course, performance. Now, let us talk about some skills required by a solution architect. Most architects have a software development background. An efficient AWS architect should be able to write code in Java or Python or C#, or any other of the programming languages which have an official AWS SDK. Then comes the security foundations. So from securing access to your AWS account to securing access to your data, AWS has several services and guidelines created specifically to help you make sure only authorized code and people are allowed to perform the specific tasks. Coming up next, we have knowledge about cloud services, and of course, the AWS basics is a must. Now, let us check out how you can become an AWS solution architect. To get certified, you require to pass the AWS Solution Architect Associate Level Examination. The exam score ranges from 100 to 1000 marks and the minimum passing score is around 720. Passing marks are determined by using statistical analysis, which means that they can be changed depending upon the difficulty of the examination. The exam fee for the AWS Solution Architect Associate Certification exam is $150. And you can also take a practice exam that costs around $20. For the professional level, the examination fee is $300. The duration is 130 minutes and includes two types of questions, that is multiple choice and multiple answer. You can take the examination in different languages, including English, Japanese, Korean, and simplified Chinese. And to help you with your preparations, we have something really special for you. You can join our free class for Amazon AWS Solution Architect Certification for Beginners. All you have to do is log on to K21Academy.com/AWS SA02. Let me show you the demo as well. All you have to do is log on to your browser and type K21Academy.com/AWS SA02 and click on Book My Seat Now. And now you'll be seeing an interface like this. All you have to do is select any slot in which you're available, type your name, your email address, and your phone number, and click on Proceed Ahead. And after that, you just have to wait for a confirmation message. You can save that link, and I'll see you in the free class. Till then, keep hustling and take care.